Hey guys, welcome back to our channel today, Sunday. So guys, I'm in the kitchen today. Why are you blocking me out?
I just want to show
Just want to say thanks to all our viewers and subscribers. Thanks for watching, thanks for your likes, thanks for your subscription. Please like, share,
comment
down below and turn on your notification bell.
and subscribe.
And please to watch this video, it's a really nice video. Thank you guys.
Watch till the end.
Yeah, watch till the end.
Hello here.
Morning.
Good morning.
We wake up.
Yes. Sunday morning. What are you cooking?
Kind of stupid question that we ask you to wake up, like, you know, before.
Like Nigerians.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
I make price for you.
If a Nigerian see you with a new shoe, he's gonna ask you, did you buy a new shoe?
Me I make porridge.
Oh yeah.
See, me I make porridge because the viewers them say I must make a porridge.
Okay.
Me steam some this one you know spinach. And the big one, I'm making a stew peas today.
Oh my God.
Yes, they said I should cook a stew peas. So guys,
Yes,
I'm making them stew peas. I have beef in here. They're so big. I have turkey neck, and I also have. Are you holding it in the camera? And I also have pork. So I'm making these things cook. So when it cook though, I will do all the seasoning and the spice and everything.
Yes.
Yes. So
They look good.
It does look
Good.
and see this is a leftover dumpling. So me fried for you.
Good.
So I'm going to give
Good.
you this spinach and porridge.
Good.
Yeah. That's what I'm doing today.
The pork looks
Very
good,
good.
but I'm not gonna taste it.
It's not. I have pork, beef, and turkey neck. That's how you cook stew peas. You have to put more than one different meat inside the stew peas.
Yeah.
Yes, but because all these things tough, I have to make them. I already cooked some from last night, but I'm making everything cooked together then. The seasoning up.
Very good.
Yeah, but there's a story about the stew peas, There's a story about the stew peas in Jamaica. But I will tell you later when you're eating it.
Really?
Yes.
I hope it's a good story.
Yeah, so guys, look at what I'm gonna give him today. I'm gonna give him. See, guys, I am a person that I remember where I'm coming from. Yeah, I don't act like because I come to England I change from how I grew up. Like I don't want to eat certain things or I forget about what I eat. So anything I feel like I want to eat that I used to eat back home, I will prepare it. So these are dumplings that left over. So I said I'm gonna give him for him to try today. So I split them in two and I fry them because that's what we used to get in the morning. That's what our mom used to give to us. So I make it today. I fry it today and I'm gonna give it to him for him to try it. If you don't eat it, then I will eat it. Yeah. But guys, the reason why I give a lot of people don't know that's another channel. It's mostly Nigerian. They really think that because he's from Nigeria, he's fussy or he just want Nigerian food. But no, this man don't care. Anything I cook, give him, he will eat it. So I guess I am lucky to find a Nigerian man like him. And I'm really happy because you see me cooking. I am not a cooking person. I don't like to cook. My mom and everybody can tell you I am not a cooking person. Since I meet him, I start cooking. Yeah, because I'm always like, I just don't like in the kitchen anyway. But I can cook though, I can cook. But a lot of people used to think that I cannot cook. People who I used to work with in salons and stuff like that, they think that I couldn't cook, but I can cook. I'm a very good cook. Yeah, so I'm just trying him out with different food. And because your viewers asking for it, so that's why I'm doing it as well. But I feed him good. But I usually just cook him rice and chicken and easy stuff. But I feed him good. Don't I feed you good?
Yeah, you do.
Okay.
Who am I to say no?
But I feel you good though. Nobody say, who are you to say no? We
But
feel you good.
wait, right from the beginning or after later?
Yeah, but remember when I meet you, you give me pizza. Pizza. The first date I went on with you give me pizza. And I told you I don't want no pizza.
Then
Because
later
I'm
on,
not a white person, yeah? So,
you know those popular saying in videos that used to say, later on that day. So I want to know if you feed me good from beginning or if you started feeding me good later on that day.
I feel it good later on that day, guys. The
Good.
first time I meet him, yes, we did something. And they said if the first time if you meet somebody, you shouldn't do anything with him. But I did it with him, and he's still here because the connection was too good and too real.
What are you talking about? We're talking about feed me or not
I
feed
don't know.
me.
I'm telling them. I'm not hiding it. Yes, the connection was too real.
So you mean the first day we just met and then
Yes, the first day.
and then
Because you was getting busy too, so yeah, and I couldn't resist it because I didn't do it for a long time myself. Yeah.
oh my god. I don't know what you're talking about here. I'm talking of food, eh? So
I know what I'm talking about. I'm a Jamaican. We are Jamaican. We don't hide these things, yeah.
oh my god.
We don't act shy like your Igbo ladies.
You don't even know that that's actually what made me stick to you because
There you go. So look at your breakfast. That's
very
your
good.
breakfast.
Thank you. Wow.
Because they normally
That's
say,
good.
oh, if you meet somebody and you do it with them the first time, they will think you're bad. But I'm not bad. You know that I'm not bad. Not a bad person.
Depend on the person you're meeting though.
Exactly, and it depends on the person, yeah. Because I you know, we Jamaican, we can't eat out people. I used to eat out a lot of people. Yeah, that used to like me, and they will never get anything. But this one here, it was real.
It is just God's
Real connection,
God sent
that's it.
connection, so it doesn't matter whether we hit it on the first day or not.
But then you
Something-
start talking and then you try back out.
Something that is destined to be is destined to be, you know.
You try say it and then you back out, innit? You can put the camera here, so.
Okay.
So, yeah, so you see, guys, so he was trying to tell you a lot in parables, yeah, and then because I said it, then he's trying to back out, yeah.
What are you talking of now? We're talking of food, so.
Yeah, because you go like you're too smart in the Robert. You go like you're too smart. You
No.
always act like you think you're too smart.
I am a very shy person.
Which part when you're shy?
Even the way I talk,
I'm shy more
slowly
than
and
you.
shy, you know. So there are things I cannot say in my mouth with my mouth because it is not good to say such thing, you know. And you know when a lady,
Hey, stop acting like them Nigerian boy in a movie.
and when a lady comes to your house the first day, you just respect yourself and sit down and watch TV or watch the ceiling. You know, if you have some tea, you drink. If you have some beer, you keep the beer. And then after some time, you just take the lady home. That's how to be a gentleman.
Yeah, I'm a gentleman. Even if I wasn't a gentleman, I wouldn't stay with you. Because we Jamaican don't put up to foolishness. Yeah. Okay, let me take out OJ. Let me take out some porridge for OJ and make it cool.
This is a red truck.
So guys, I boiled porridge today. Cornmeal porridge. Cornmeal porridge.
Look at another truck. This is a yellow truck.
I will try to see if my baby will have some.
Yes, this is called here
Yeah.
because it got a crane on it. Yeah.
So guys, the other day when I made fufu, when I made plantain fufu, I do not have the package, but this is it. This is how it looks. It looks like flour. So it's like this plantain, the green one. But I guess they make it into a flour, so you have to turn it and turn it and turn it and turn it. It's very hard because it gets sticky together quick, so you have to be really fast.
Pour it here for them to see.
Yeah, it looks like flour.
Oh, pour it here.
See, it looks like flour powder.
Pour more. I'll put them back in the cup.
I don't want to pour more. Because a lot of people are saying plantain, they never hear of plantain fufu, but it is plantain fufu.
It looks somehow like baking powder.
And it's really nice.
Flour powder.
It's
Nice.
really nice. And then this one is the yam. That's the yam fufu, and it still looks like flour. So yet the reason why I said it's something like cornmeal that we heat, because I could do the cornmeal like fufu, put it in a round thing and make it comes round like a fufu. So this is the same, like a powder as well. Yeah. So guys, when my stew peas is finished, You'll see it when he's finished and when he's eating it, and he will tell me
It's
how it
nice,
tastes.
ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God.
Try the dumpling.
Mmm.
You know the cook one? I hate this.
Mmm.
So yeah, our mom used to give it to us.
Now this one is fried.
Yes.
Hmm.
And see guys, I give him nice bowl of cornmeal porridge. I can't see properly. Nice bowl of cornmeal.
Nice.
Nice bowl of cornmeal porridge. So I have a lot of what you call it, cook. I have a lot of chef on my YouTube because they're always telling me what to do. So guys, this porridge, I put coconut milk, I put nutmeg, I put vanilla, and I put what this thing called cinnamon. Yeah.
Mmm.
Yeah,
Really?
that's what I put in the porridge. And I mix it with evaporated milk.
Mmm.
So it should be nice. With a little bit of salt. Yeah.
Thank God I'm not going to work today.
I love when he's home, guys. I wish he don't go to work, but he have to. But I like his company so much. Like,
Well,
I feel so comfortable running.
I've got another job at home though.
Just your face. So you see this? Look at this. So it come out good.
Mmm.
So me and you and the stew peas today.
It's nice.
Well, at least he's in the kitchen with me seeing how I'm doing the stew peas. So I don't have to, because I tell him story about the stew peas,
Mmm.
Which I shouldn't have told him, but yeah, I've told him.
That's why I have to always be around when you're preparing stupid.
You're not happy, you're not to worry.
Because now I know the story about stupids in Jamaican ladies cooking it.
You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about me and the stew peas. You know that. You see me now.
Now I know why men prefer to cook stupid in Jamaica than women.
Man prefer to cook everything in Jamaica, not only stew peas.
Mm.
Yes.
Jamaicans, you see, I'm knowing your secrets, so when I talk with facts.
Guys, I'm gonna start blending up the juices as well. I'm gonna start blending in the, you know those juice? Yeah.
And I put it in a million times. The last time I said I DC.
Somebody commented and said, "Oh, is she living with him and he don't know his food?" But guys, he is Nigerian. He's not Jamaican, and the place where he's from. They're very cultural. They're very cultural people, and different from him. Nigerian man like their own food. A lot of people say it, but they rather their own food than anybody else's food. They like their own music. Everything about their culture. They like everything about them. They like their woman. They like their food. They like their culture. They like the tradition. Everything.
That is true. They like their own food because when the Nigerians went to our party, they just took the food and threw it in the bin.
Yes, some of them.
Yeah.
Some of them did that. They didn't even taste it. They put it in the bin. Yes, so he was right. But with him, it's different. He's a different person because he grew up most of his life in Europe. That's why he's like this. Yeah, so he's willing to try everything, and somebody said it's like he have Jamaican blood. I think so. I think he have a little, as I don't know, I connect with him so good. The connection between me and him is something unbelievable. Yeah, because it's like, I don't know, it's come like, you know, the ribs that God said he takes from the man and gives to the woman. I think that happened with me and him, to be honest. Because when he's not around, I miss him so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, but when he's eating, he don't like to talk because he like food.
Who doesn't like food?
He love food.
Every living thing likes to feed.
He love food more than anything else.
I'm talking about we liking our culture. It is like that. It is universal.
Yes, guys.
Every species of humans, or everyone loves, cherishes, and preserves their culture. So, ladies and gentlemen, some of you must have known that I'm from Igbo land. Thank you. Mindful of the food. You don't comb your head.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, as I was saying, there is no species or race of people that is not proud of their culture. Everyone, as I was saying, I'm from Igbo land, Ali Igbo. We are proud of ourselves, our food, our music, our people, our culture, because it's natural. Even though I personally, I feel like we are not proud enough, because we are rapidly losing our language, which is even the most important in every culture preservation system. Language is number one, because food could be learned, dressing code could be borrowed or learned, music, civilization, Western modernization could take over, like production and other things, but language should be language. We the Igbos, we are rapidly losing our language, so we are not even preserving our culture as well as we're supposed to, So that is it. I'm encouraging everyone to preserve his or her culture. That is who you are.
You don't have to tell me that, because we're Jamaican, proud of where we're from. I'm so proud of where I'm from, I don't even try to adapt English accent. You know that, don't you? Guys, the reason why I'm proud of my accent is because, the other day when they have this looting and stuff here, guys don't know how powerful our accent is. It just really, really protect us. So, yeah.
There was a kind of a civil unrest here in England a few months ago, and as usual, blacks are number one target.
It wasn't black, they was targeting Muslim. Don't say that. They target a few black, but it was Muslim, because did you see what they do? They'll pull off the people, them hijabi and things like that. You just don't want to be at the wrong place at the wrong time. Yes, because anybody then catch them, then trouble them. But they don't really trouble Jamaican, to be honest. They never really trouble us. So a lot of Africans used to put on some Jamaican logo on their hands or around their neck. So people will think that they are Jamaican. So guys, we're Jamaican. We should be very proud of ourselves. Yeah? Even though you find some of us good and some of us bad. Jamaica is a nice country, but it's just because certain things, if our country was just set up the right way, it would be like, oh my God,
Well, it only happened that...
Where's my milk?
It only happened that the problem at hand wasn't specified, it wasn't channeled towards Jamaicans.
Towards Jamaican, how come they said to us? Are you Jamaicans or we come to us?
I said towards.
Oh, I think you said to us.
It was not channeled towards Jamaicans, so it was channeled towards immigrants. And just like as I said before, in every unrest, blacks are always number one target. Whether it's black issue or not black issue, once it comes to the issue of immigrants, even if black people in that particular area is the least, is the smallest immigrant, we always stand out because of the differences in appearances. We always stand out. Once, in some countries, once the topic immigrant comes out, it's only black that they think are immigrants.
Did you hear what they said?
The non-blacks blend.
Did you hear what they said? They literally said out of their mouth, they're not targeting Jamaicans because we are part of the Commonwealth. That's what they said. But I'm not only we alone a part of the Commonwealth. So I don't understand why they attack other people. Isn't it?
One of the reasons why they attack other people is because other people are easier for them to attack. Jamaicans can team up and fight back or defend. But the rest of us, we're totally powerless.
Yeah, because it's not too soft for that. It's not too soft.
We could
Just
only
the way-
complain, run and complain, and that's all.
Guys, even the way how Africans walk, yeah, even the way how they walk, they look like easy targets. You know, they just walk too cool. You know, that's why the other day I was teaching him them. I'm joking. I was just taking the piss out of him. Yeah.
The liquid from this callaloo, I cannot take it all with this fork because the liquid is going one
So get
side.
spoon now.
Look, the camera can't see it. I don't want to lose this liquid. Oh no!
As I steer, you always like do this. You know, like make nothing leave back inside of the plate.
This is how to eat food, ladies and gentlemen. Good food.
Well, somebody comment and say you're not gonna like no other food but your food because you're Nigerian. and that person that commented, I don't think you know him better than me because I am living with him.
If you see a good food, you have to like it. It doesn't matter where the food comes from. Just like if you meet someone nice, if you see good thing stands out. Good thing is good. If you have good taste, you like good thing, not where the thing is coming from, but how good the thing is. I like our food. I like Nigerian food, but these circumstances, this weather, this place we are, for me personally, Nigerian food is not the best because this is a cold weather country, so it's better to eat light and food that we digest quick.
And the thing is with us Jamaican, we always cook food every day. We cook fresh food every day. Every day we cook fresh food. That is it. And it's not easy, it's really hard, but yeah.
Yeah, but you can't compare it to cooking in Africa. Cooking in Africa is a big work.
Yeah, and the food take long to prepare too. The food take long to prepare.
So that's why in Africa we do cook every day, but it's a bigger portion and bigger work.
So guys, they have this food called jollof rice. And Jamaican like jollof rice a lot. If you taste that jollof rice, it's so nice. Really nice. Yeah. Really nice jollof rice. Jamaicans over here love jollof rice. Did I told you one time my friend made the jollof rice and she put so much pepper in it. So much pepper, yeah? This girl from Benin. That's the first time I eat jollof rice and she put so much pepper inside the jollof rice. So because all of us was in the salon, so we come together, we cook it. And the Jamaicans like it. I used to be fussy to eat any other culture food. A lot of Jamaicans here might know that we kind of fussy to eat other culture food. We refuse to try it. But that day I tried it because I see how the Jamaican was reacting to the jollof rice. And when I tried the jollof rice, I'm like, oh my God, this is why they are eating the jollof rice so much. I love Nigerian jollof rice. I would put Nigerian jollof rice over every other country jollof rice. That's the truth because it tastes really different from everybody else. Jollof rice. So
something good about us.
So because the jollof rice was spicy, the Jamaican used to put sugar. They put sugar inside of the jollof rice and I try easy. But the jollof rice nice, especially when they leave it for tomorrow. Oh my God. So nice.
This cornmeal is so nice.
It's not cornmeal, it's cornmeal porridge. You know, like come and turn the other one. This is the boiled one that I make into porridge.
No wonder. This is just soft and easy and just goes.
Yes.
Wow. This is so nice.
So guys, me not today a Sunday, but I'm not cooking rice and peas today, guys. I'm cooking stew peas and white rice. That's what I'm cooking. Even though this is not Sunday dinner, but yeah, that's what I'm cooking today. Because let me go wash this rice.
So I pop it.
So guys, that's the finishing of the red the stew peas that I was cooking today.
Come kiss grandma. Come.
Stew peas and rice.
Oh, they say you dare me.
How it tastes?
Good. Very good.
So these stew peas have history. When they cook it in Jamaica, you know. My mom, you want to tell him about the history about the stew peas?
I know. Don't tell me.
Not really.
Don't tell me until I finish eating, because I might hear the story afresh again and change my mind.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot that I told you before. But me not do them something there. Me not have time for that. I remember seeing me in the kitchen when I cook this. Okay.
But
After you leave.
after I left,
No, you never leave. I mean, you leave. You forgot to see me leave today.
you don't even need to cook this with that thing for me anymore, because
But you should know if she has.
I feel that you're already there, so no need to repeat it.
Yeah, right. You want to slap in your head. You think me come from Iboland? We can't, Jamaican woman can't bowl man without food. Yeah? If we're not blessing our food, we're blessing our other ways. And you know too, not true?
We're not blessed.
That's why I'm saying it, because I think I've already eaten stew peas plus, even without.
Stew peas plus. So guys, thanks for watching our videos. Like, share, subscribe. Comment down below, turn on your notification bell. You have anything to say?
Guys, the way this stew pea is so sweet, only God help me if it is only stew peas alone without nothing.
You know what? I shouldn't have told you what I told you before. I say, oh no, I use this now. You know, talk about this
You
now.
never see stew pea that if you start eating it, you feel like it don't stop. Yeah?